I'm Jan. I would like to present a little bit of a testimonial. My voice is a little aggravated at this point because about 5 weeks ago I had to have my thyroid out and my bottom right parathyroid. I ended up finding this remarkable Counterstrain physical therapy place through some things that happened to me. I had my left shoulder totally replaced July last year. Everything went fine. I had my right shoulder totally replaced this year at the end of October, and when I was given the block, I received a severe brachial plexus injury immediately and went to 10-10 pain. My thumb and index and third finger immediately went into shock, and I basically was given the anesthetic, went into the operation, and when I woke up I was at 10-10 pain, and they didn't understand how bad it was, but I knew because this one was perfect and this one was way off from that. So I did doctors of physical therapy for a year just about, with remarkable multifaceted programs there and at home. And when I finished with that, like in late spring, May, I started to get ready to try to deal with this even though I was still healing. And when I had this operation, they thought it would be best to keep my arms down and straight by my side. They knew about my predicament, but it ended up exacerbating my situation and setting off my chronic pain situation, type 2 nerve mess in both shoulders, and they started mirroring each other. This finger cramped up, my arm started cramping up, and just got hold of myself, recentered, and did not accept it, and said, I'm going to heal this, I'm going to get through this. But my whole right side, arm, everything started locking up like frozen shoulder, which I had at some point before after this operation, which set me way back. I could hardly pick my arm up. I had another EMG nerve test. I did have improvements from the first go around, and it set it way back, and it just kind of went in reverse. Everybody said, oh, you're going to have ups and downs. Well, these were not acceptable downs. So through Brian Tuckey out east, I was connected with Peter here in Addison to do Counterstrain on me, with remarkable healing and circumstances, working together as a team energetically and understanding some of the body systems to reverse very quickly some of my pain. 2 weeks ago I could hardly move like this. I couldn't hardly pick my arms up. I can pick my arm up again and do this. My bicep nerves, they weren't exactly receiving signals, so I couldn't even pick my arm up. So when I came here to discover this remarkable new Counterstrain treatment, the first thing that happens is you get assessed and analyzed to see what is best for your situation. And in my case, Peter reviewed everything. I brought all kinds of different records in, and my nerve tests and my MRIs of my neck and all kinds of things. And he set up the first treatment and started working on me, and I immediately felt relief and shifting. I felt like I was regenerating in ways, working with my mind and my body together and energetically in new ways that I didn't totally understand, but definitely worked, because my pain, my stiffness, my movement regarding my nervous system, my fascial system, my arteries and veins, all were addressed and still are, and in a very short time, compared to 10 months of going in circles, I've only had a handful of treatments, and it has been remarkable, and I'm very anxious to share this with people, to learn about this, and to help people that are in kind of a medical corner with, well, we don't know what to do with you now, we can't really do too much else. So I was faced with going into more of the unknown and combining this with this very innovative situation, which we'll continue with further.
Thank you.